Hello friends, good morning to everybody. In today's video we are going to see today's flower garden update, and next we are going to harvest one lady's finger and some coriander also. So come, let's go into the video. So if you see, these are all table rose. So table rose is growing very well and nice. It is very beautiful and colorful also. And here if you see, this is one of the varieties of flowering plant. It is also growing very well and good. So orange color flower. And here if you see, one hibiscus flower is there, pink color. So it's also very nice. And here if you see, we have another some table rose. So that same color table rose, it's also very beautiful. And here one, and here three. And next we are going to see is marigold. So marigold is very beautiful, friends, and the smell is also very nice. So one tip for the marigold flower is that what you should do means, whenever you see dry leaf in your plant, you should clear it. Then it will keep your plant very beautiful. And here also one flower is there. See, now we shall harvest some coriander. So come, let's harvest some coriander. So we can pluck from the root. So we have harvested this much coriander. Now we should go and harvest the lady's finger also. So this lady's finger is about 3 days old. So now let's harvest it. So see, this lady's finger is also very nice. It is in decent size. So now we have harvested one lady's finger and some coriander, friends.